Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using the platform. In this FlutterFlow review, we're diving into the mobile app development platform and exploring its features and capabilities. FlutterFlow is a robust no-code platform empowering both seasoned developers and those completely new to coding to build fully functional mobile applications compatible with both Android and iOS. A key differentiator of FlutterFlow is its tight integration with Google's Flutter framework. This integration makes it approachable for beginners while remaining a powerful tool for experienced developers. The platform boasts a user-friendly interface with intuitive drag-and-drop functionality, enabling rapid app screen design. You can personalize your user interface, implement intricate animations, and seamlessly integrate APIs. FlutterFlow also provides a comprehensive library of pre-built widgets and templates that significantly accelerate the development process. A particularly helpful feature is the ability to preview your app in real time during the building process, allowing for immediate feedback and adjustments. One aspect I found incredibly valuable is FlutterFlow's backend functionality. The built-in Firebase integration streamlines database management, authentication, and cloud function implementation. This means you can establish your app's backend without writing any code. FlutterFlow caters to a broad user base, from hobbyists and entrepreneurs with no development experience who want to bring their app ideas to life, to professional developers seeking to optimize their workflow. Even without a technical background, you can build a fully functional app. For developers, the platform allows you to export your project's code, giving you complete control over further customization. Collaboration is another strength of FlutterFlow. You can easily invite team members to collaborate on your project, making it an ideal solution for development teams. Furthermore, FlutterFlow simplifies deployment by enabling direct export to both Android and iOS app stores. To sum up, FlutterFlow is a compelling option for anyone looking to build mobile apps efficiently. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer, the platform's unique blend of no-code design tools, robust back-end features, and flexible export options makes it a powerful solution for mobile app development.